If you're an Etsy seller, you need to pay attention to these 6 trends that have been absolutely skyrocketing and making tons of sales over the last few months. These trends come straight from the Etsy team themselves and are sourced from Etsy's Marketplace Insights report, which shows what the biggest up-and-coming Etsy trends are based on current search data. Whether you sell physical or digital products on Etsy, you're going to be able to incorporate some of these trends into your products. Paying attention to what is rising in market demand is one of the smartest and quickest ways you can start making consistent sales on Etsy. So I think that's enough talk. Let's go ahead and dive into trend number 1. Etsy has termed this trend Island Luxe, and it's giving serious vacation vibes. Also known as tourist chic or resort core, here we're talking about light and airy linens, fruit-inspired jewelry, and raffia and other natural textures. Pretty much any accessories that have a beachy island feel. We know this is trending up because there's been a 500% increase in searches for fruit necklaces when compared to this time last year. Searches for raffia bags have also more than quadrupled. And with that, let's move on to trend number 2, which is called Chateau Core. Here we're talking about old world French cottage style decor. Etsy calls this trend romantic and storied with a huge focus on countryside charm. We're thinking embroidered textures, airy cotton dresses, and vintage glassware. In fact, searches for vintage glassware have nearly doubled compared to this time last year. Searches for charcuterie board gifts have quadrupled, and searches for puffy quilts have nearly tripled. All of these beautiful items fit into this new Chateau Core trend and are definitely on the rise on Etsy. Now, trend number 3 is a really fun one and one of my favorites, but before we dive into that one, if you are just starting out as an Etsy seller, or maybe you've been a seller for a while and just haven't seen the amount of sales you would have liked to, I've got a resource that's going to be truly helpful for you. It's the thing that I wish I had had when I first started selling on Etsy, and I made it as a shortcut to help those who are just starting out to know what's most important to dig into to optimize your shop and listings to start getting sales from day 1. It's my free hour-long masterclass, the 5-pillar Etsy success formula, where I go through my personal system and what moved the needle for me to reach multiple 6 figures in my Etsy business. It's based on my 5-pillar system. These are the 5 things that I think are most crucial for every Etsy seller to grow a profitable shop. So again, totally free. You can hop over and watch that right when you're done with this video by clicking the link in the description box below or going to etsymasterclass.com. Okay, moving on to trend number 3, and this one's called Literary Girl. This one's tapping into the current literary revival that's happening. Nearly 20,000 book-related products are purchased on Etsy every single day. So for this trend, we're talking about items that reflect reading more as a lifestyle rather than just a hobby. Think decorative vintage book stacks, unique or giftable bookmarks, and physical gifts for people who are bookworms. Searches for blind book date boxes have more than doubled compared to this time last year, and personalized book embossers are up over 30%. So as fun as this trend is, the next one is really attention grabbing, and it's called Galactic Metallic. This one's similar to last season's Chrome Love trend, but more futuristic with holographic textures and reflective fabrics. Etsy calls this the era of cosmic cool, as this trend brings attention to sci-fi aesthetics with items that are shiny, shimmery, and well, based on anything related to space. Searches for crystal mugs are up over 700%, and searches for half moon lamps are up over 600%. Now, I don't know about you, but to me, that is a huge jump in market demand. Now, before we move on to the next trend, I want to take a moment to let you in a little bit on my process for finding winning products within each of these trends and finding niches that will sell well on Etsy. Because you might be listening to these thinking, well, these are great, but how do I know what specific product within that niche to sell? So of course, you can do easy research on Etsy itself, but if you want to take it a level up, you can use a research tool that's made for Etsy research like Sales Samurai. So I'm here on Sales Samurai, and I've come to the search tool where I've typed in just a general word to do some market research. So going along with this Galactic Metallic trend, I typed in the word space just to start off with, using a descriptive word that fits into this niche or trend, but that's still pretty broad and vague. So here we've got the term space. It's giving me a number for the estimated search volume, which is the estimated number of times this phrase is searched on Etsy per month. But if I scroll down, I can see related keywords under Etsy's most trending and Google's most trending, and also down here under the tag section. This is showing me related phrases to what I typed in that other sellers might be using as tags in their similar listings within this niche. So I can start here to get some ideas of other things that I might search that might be a little more specific. So here I can see solar system prints, galaxy prints, outer space decor. So I like the word galaxy. That kind of intrigues me. So I'm going to come back up and search for the word galaxy. So now Sales Samurai has pulled up the data for me on the term galaxy, including the search volume and some related phrases down here. I can see galaxy phone, galaxy mugs, galaxy decals. If I come down here to the tag section, I've got some words that also could spark some inspiration, like glitter, Star Wars, gift for her. But I like this idea of a galaxy classroom and maybe making some printable digital products for teachers who want some printable posters for something going along with this theme for their classroom. So then my next step would be to come over to Etsy and to type in that phrase in the Etsy search bar, Galaxy Classroom, and then I can search through all of the results of listings that are currently available that are using that keyword phrase. I'm going to look through these listings to continue to get inspiration and ideas for products that I could create and put my own spin on to make them even better than the ones I'm seeing here. I want to pay special attention to any that have this popular now or bestseller badge, as that is a clue that that specific listing is selling really well and really consistently. I can always come back over to Sales Samurai and do more searches to refine my product idea. So maybe I would type in something like space, printable, and continue looking at the data from there. So if you think you'd like to try out Sales Samurai, I've got a free 3-day trial in the video description box below. You can click that to try it out totally for free and also enter the code KATE20 when you sign up. That'll give you 20% off your recurring monthly subscription if you decide to keep using it beyond the 3-day trial. I want to give a big thank you to Sales Samurai for sponsoring this portion of today's video and can't wait to hear what you think of it. All right, moving right along to our next trend, which is called Messy Coquette. This aesthetic puts a messy or undone spin on this traditionally super feminine style. As Etsy says, we're thinking a blend of 90s and Y2K pop star energy with effortlessly undone charm. One thing this trend is giving us is all the ruffles. We're talking ruffles on curtains, ruffles on skirts, ruffles on jackets, ruffles on blankets, ruffled throw pillows, and in addition to the ruffles, all the bows as well. Searches for coquette bow are up 500% and searches for bead bag are up nearly 20%. And it's time to move on to our next trend, which could actually be my favorite out of all of these, and this one's called Maritime Living. I absolutely love this one because it calls attention to the raw and untamed nature of the ocean. It's totally different than your pristine yacht club beachy feel, because this one is more rugged and lived in. Inspired by real seafarers and fishermen who spend their days on the sea, we're thinking items that give salty, tranquil coastal vibes. One main pattern that fits right in with this trend is anything striped, from striped clothing to linens to wall art to rugs. And also within this trend, you'll see a lot of rain boots, shells, and sardines. In fact, searches for sardine items have increased 75%. The term fisherman aesthetic has nearly doubled, and searches for shell bags have more than doubled. So there you have the 6 trends that are skyrocketing right now on Etsy. I can't wait to see how you decide to incorporate some of those into your products. And don't forget, if you could use some help optimizing your shop and listings on Etsy for regular, consistent sales, then click the link below or hop over to etsymasterclass.com to watch my free hour-long masterclass that's going to give you my personal system for growing your Etsy shop to 6 figures and beyond. Happy selling, friends.
Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.